Shalom, we meet again in our devotional morning no reflections daily. It text is found in Romans chapter 12, verse 2. It says, "Do not conform any longer to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is. His a good, pleasing, and a perfect will." My brethren, many who claims to be God's people closely resemble the world. To the difference, it's hard to see it, making it difficult to distinguish those who serve God from those who don't serve God. God will act in ways to reveal the true character of those who claim to follow Him, even using them as a test for others. God has shown that many who claims to be Christian have sins in their heart, leading to inconsistently lives, while God's grieves ever those most at fault are often the prominent figure in the church, who may not realize either on failings. Remember that the choosing comfort and honor, the true reward comes in the inheritance promise to God, comes later in the inheritance promise God. People cannot be found in this world. It is something far greater. This also emphasizes the importance of a genuine serve God in those who profess faith but don't truly live it, using them as example for others. It points out the hypocrisy of some with religious communities who outwardly appear devout but harbor inner sin and inconstancy. These conclude potential consequences of prioritizing worldly gains over spiritual values, using readers to maintain a distinct separation from word corrupting influences. Even if we, by our own choice, put ourselves in a worldly and unholy environment, grieves God's heart. Those who prioritize worldly wealth and possessions will experience a great loss This is because the true reward God promised His people are not found in this world. The ultimately prize is a greater anything this world's over. Alpha Omega Volume 1, page 191. May God bless you. Amen.